Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a filter in Excel spreadsheets. This is basically for data organization. So if you want to find specific data very quickly, then you're able to filter by and then certain parameters. I'm going to go through this right now. So here you'll see that there's a team section, who the player is, position they play, and then how much time left in their contract. You can see that there's obviously going to be repeated data. I just copy and pasted, and yeah, I just did I think I did 10 and then I just repeated it. So let's get started. But before we do, if you find this video helpful, please thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to feel very generous, then give me a super like. All right, now let's get started. So here at the very top where it's contract, position, and player, we're going to want to highlight all of these. You may have the top bar might be all the way to P with a bunch of different other categories. But for my example, I only have these 4. So I'm going to highlight. And then you're going to go to data. And then in data, you're going to go to filter. And then here you're going to see arrows. And this is basically the filter. You're going to left click on the down arrow. And if you're looking for specific players a part of a team, so let's say I just want to see the North Stars, then you would just check mark North Stars and then hit OK. And then all of the North Stars will come up. And then you can also fine tooth it even more. So if you had, let's say, let me change this one quickly. Goalie. Okay, so now we can even fine tooth comb it even more or filter it even more. So we can unselect and then go Mike Morris. And then through here, we can even go even further and filter it. And for the position, we can go, for the position, we can go defense. And then that's basically it. And then when you want to go back to your original list, you can just click on the arrow again, select all, hit OK, select all, hit OK, and then select all, hit OK. I'm pretty sure you could even, let's do that one more time. Sorry, let's do that one more time. Let's go by team. Let's go North Stars. Okay. Go by Mike Morris. Okay. And then just by defense. And let's see if this works. No. So you need to clear the filter. Clear the filter. That might be even easier. Just clear filter. And there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.